Hi everyone, welcome, and today we will be discussing about how to change division in Type Soul. So before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done that already using the subscription button below. Let's just jump on to the solution and how you can change your division in Type Soul. So there are a couple of methods and different divisions available that you can potentially join, and let's just say you want to switch over to some different ones. So for that particular reason, you're going to be leaving your first division, and for that you're going to be needing to talk to uh, the NPC that is basically available, and then he is located in Seoul City next to the large entrance to the center of the location. Players can also just go to the division to captain as he is located close to Hautusk. So basically this is the uh, NPC that we need to be heading over to. An important point to be noted here is that if you worth nothing, it's worth nothing that you can join and leave divisions as many times as you like. So if you don't like the division missions, you try joining another one. So yeah, as I discussed, you can do that. And so yeah, I hope this was helpful or informative. If it was, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more and see you guys around in the next video.